Mind Target presents 16 ways to become more independent and self-sufficient. Do you want to become more independent and self-sufficient? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will tell you 16 practical steps that you can take to become more independent and self-sufficient. These steps range from learning how to budget and manage your finances to developing a plan for achieving your goals and taking responsibility for your own well-being. By taking the steps explained in this video, you will be able to gain the confidence, skills, and resources needed to achieve greater independence and self-sufficiency. Number 1. Establish a regular sleep schedule. Getting a regular amount of restful sleep is one of the most important steps to becoming more independent and self-sufficient. Having a regular sleep schedule can help you regulate your mood, stay alert during the day, and stay focused on your goals. A regular sleep schedule involves going to bed and waking up at the same times every day, even on weekends. It's also important to avoid screens for an hour before bed, as screens can make it harder to fall asleep. Finally, create a bedtime routine that works for you. This could involve taking a hot bath, reading a book, listening to soothing music, or anything else that helps you relax. With a regular sleep schedule, you'll be more well-rested and better prepared to take on the world. Number 2. Get organized. Staying organized can help you become more independent and self-sufficient. It allows you to better manage your time and energy so that you can focus on the important tasks at hand. Here are some tips to help you get organized. Make a plan. Break down your tasks into smaller, achievable goals. Setting goals can help you stay motivated and focused on the task ahead. Create a calendar. Write down all of your upcoming commitments, deadlines, and projects in a calendar. Use this to plan out when to work on each task. Prioritize. Write down your list of tasks and prioritize them according to importance. This will help you stay focused on the tasks that are most important. Declutter. Get rid of any unnecessary items or papers lying around. This will help reduce distractions and help you stay organized. Delegate. If you are struggling with a task or don't have enough time, consider delegating it to someone else who can help. By following these tips, you can start to get organized and become more independent and self-sufficient. Number 3. Set goals and work towards them. Having goals is an important part of becoming more independent and self-sufficient. Setting goals gives you something to focus on and strive for, as well as provides a sense of accomplishment when they are achieved. When setting goals, it's important to make them achievable, measurable, and realistic. Break down your long-term goals into smaller steps and start working on the first one. To begin setting goals, you first need to identify what it is you want to accomplish. Think about what areas of your life need improvement and determine what you would like to achieve. Then, break your goals down into manageable chunks and plan out how you will achieve each step. It can be helpful to keep a journal or calendar to track your progress. Setting goals also means setting boundaries for yourself. Be honest with yourself about what is achievable in the time you have and set realistic expectations. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it, and don't give up if things don't work out right away. With hard work and dedication, you can reach any goal. Number 4. Find a hobby or activity you enjoy. Having a hobby or activity you enjoy is an important part of becoming independent and self-sufficient. Finding something that you enjoy doing and that brings you joy can help reduce stress and provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment. There are many hobbies and activities to choose from, including sports, arts and crafts, photography, cooking, baking, gardening, reading, writing, playing music, and more. You may even find that you enjoy activities that you've never tried before. When selecting a hobby or activity, be sure to choose something that fits your personality and interests. Take the time to explore your options and find something that you really love doing. Don't be afraid to try something new, and remember that it doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. Even if you only have 30 minutes a day to devote to your hobby, it can still make a difference in your overall well-being. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can have a positive effect on your overall well-being, both physically and mentally. It can help reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase energy levels. It also helps you build strength and endurance, which can lead to improved self-sufficiency. When you are getting started with exercise, it is important to find something that you enjoy doing. Whether it is walking, running, swimming, biking, or something else, make sure to choose an activity that is not too strenuous or difficult for your body. Make sure to also set realistic goals and take breaks as needed. It can also be helpful to create a regular schedule for yourself and stick to it. This can help you form a habit of exercising regularly and motivate you to stay on track. Additionally, you can join a class or group if available in your area. This can help you stay motivated and accountable for showing up for your workouts. Finally, when setting goals for yourself, remember to focus on progress rather than perfection. Exercise is about feeling good, so don't be too hard on yourself if you don't reach your goals right away. Take it one step at a time and celebrate every success along the way. With regular exercise and dedication, you will soon become more independent and self-sufficient. Number 6. Eat healthily. Eating healthy is a great way to become more independent and self-sufficient. Eating healthy foods gives you energy, helps you stay focused, and boosts your immunity. Start by stocking up on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and proteins. Avoid processed foods that are high in sugar and fat. Plan out your meals for the week ahead of time so that you have healthy options available when hunger strikes. Be mindful of portion sizes and remember to eat slowly to enjoy the food and savor every bite. Another way to eat healthily is to focus on nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. These foods are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that will help nourish your body and keep you feeling energized. Additionally, adding fresh herbs and spices to your dishes will help enhance the flavor of your meals without adding unnecessary calories or sugar. Eating healthy is an important part of becoming more independent and self-sufficient. With the right strategies, you can easily make healthy eating a part of your daily routine. Number 7. Limit your screen time. Limiting your screen time can help you become more independent and self-sufficient. Staring at a screen for extended periods of time can increase stress and fatigue and hinder concentration. Too much screen time can also lead to physical issues such as headaches, neck pain, and vision problems. It is important to be mindful of how much time you are spending on devices like smartphones, laptops, tablets, and television. Start by setting a limit for yourself on how long you use these devices each day. You can use an app or timer to keep track. It is also helpful to set boundaries around when and where you use screens. For example, avoid screens before bed or during meals. Finally, find other activities that are not related to screens that you can do instead. This could be anything from going for a walk to taking up a new hobby. By limiting your screen time, you can free up more time for self-care and productivity. Number 8. Spend time outdoors. Being outdoors has many health benefits, including improved mood and increased energy. Taking some time each day to get outside can help you become more independent and self-sufficient. There are plenty of ways to enjoy the outdoors. Try taking a walk around your neighborhood or going to a nearby park. If you prefer nature, visit a local forest or lake. You can also go camping, swimming, biking, or fishing. Being in nature can help you to appreciate your surroundings and reconnect with the world around you. Enjoying the outdoors can be a great way to boost your confidence and independence. Make sure to practice safety while out and about so you can stay safe and healthy. Number 9. Read more. Reading is an important part of becoming more independent and self-sufficient. Reading helps you to understand the world around you, improves your cognitive abilities, and increases your knowledge and understanding of different topics. It can also be a great way to relax and distress. It doesn't matter what type of book you read, fiction, nonfiction, or even magazines. The important thing is that you choose something that you are interested in and that speaks to you. In addition to reading for pleasure, try to pick up books that will help you become more self-sufficient. Pick up a how-to manual to learn how to fix a car or a home repair guide to learn how to change a light bulb. Learning these skills now can help save you time and money in the future. Finally, reading can also help you become a better communicator. By reading books on grammar, public speaking, or communication techniques, you can become more confident in expressing yourself and communicating with others. Take some time each day to read something. It will have a lasting impact on your overall independence and self-sufficiency. Number 10. Write down your thoughts. When it comes to developing independence and self-sufficiency, writing down your thoughts can be a powerful tool. Not only can it help you organize your ideas and plan for your future, but it can also provide an outlet for any feelings of stress or anxiety that come with the journey. It's a great way to track your progress and even reflect on the lessons you've learned. Start by getting yourself a journal and a pen, then begin writing down whatever comes to mind. You don't need to start with a structured essay. Simply jot down anything that pops into your head. It could be a feeling, a thought, an idea, or something that made you happy that day. Writing it down can help make sense of it, and as you continue to do this, you may find yourself organizing your thoughts more and developing insight into how you think and why. You can also use writing to reflect on the past and present. What decisions have you made that have contributed to where you are today? What values guide you and motivate you? How can you best use those values to reach your goals? Thinking through these questions in writing can help you develop clarity and focus in your life. Writing down your thoughts can also be a great way to build self-confidence and positive self-talk. When things don't go as planned, it's easy to fall into the trap of self-criticism and negative thinking. However, by writing down your thoughts, you can replace the negative with positive affirmations that remind you of your worth and potential. So whether you're looking for direction or just trying to express yourself, writing down your thoughts can be an invaluable tool for becoming more independent and self-sufficient. Number 11. Volunteer. Volunteering is a great way to become more independent and self-sufficient. It can help you gain valuable skills, meet new people, and develop connections with your community. Plus, it can be incredibly rewarding. There are numerous opportunities to volunteer in your local area, such as helping at a soup kitchen, participating in a beach cleanup, or even providing tutoring services. You can also volunteer online, such as joining an environmental initiative or helping with remote data entry. Whatever you choose to do, volunteering will give you the chance to gain valuable experience while also giving back to your community. Number 12. Spend time with loved ones. Spending quality time with family and friends is an important part of becoming more independent and self-sufficient. Developing strong relationships with those around you can help build your self-confidence, provide emotional support, and help you learn from the experiences of others. It's important to set aside time to connect with loved ones, whether it's scheduling regular coffee dates, hosting game nights, or taking weekend trips together. Making an effort to stay in touch and cultivate meaningful relationships with those who care about you can be a great way to find solace and become more independent. Number 13. Learn a new skill. Learning a new skill is an important part of becoming more independent and self-sufficient. Not only will it help you stay engaged and motivated, but it can also open up new opportunities for employment and personal growth. There are plenty of ways to learn a new skill, whether it be online courses, classes at your local community college, or simply learning from friends or family. One way to learn a new skill is to take online courses. There are a variety of online courses available on topics ranging from coding to baking. These courses are generally quite affordable and allow you to learn at your own pace in the comfort of your own home. Another great way to learn a new skill is to attend classes at your local community college. Community colleges often offer courses on a variety of topics and typically have knowledgeable instructors who can provide personalized instruction. You can also learn a new skill by watching tutorials or asking friends and family for help. There are plenty of tutorials available online that provide step-by-step instructions on how to complete certain tasks, such as cooking or sewing. Friends and family can also be great resources for learning new skills. If you know someone who is skilled in something you'd like to learn, don't hesitate to ask for their help. Learning a new skill is a great way to become more independent and self-sufficient. Whether you choose to take online courses, attend classes at your local community college, or simply watch tutorials or ask for help from friends and family, make sure you set aside time to practice and perfect the skill. With patience and dedication, you'll be able to become an expert in no time. Number 14. Forgive yourself. It's easy to beat yourself up for making mistakes or feeling overwhelmed, but it's important to remember that no one is perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's okay. The key is to forgive yourself, move on, and learn from the experience. When you are in a negative mindset, take time to reflect on what happened, and then choose to forgive yourself. This doesn't mean you have to excuse or condone the mistake or behavior. It just means that you can let go of the guilt and take actionable steps to prevent the same mistake from happening again. It's also important to practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself in the same way you would talk to a friend going through a hard time. Cut yourself some slack and remind yourself that it's okay to not be perfect. Forgiveness allows you to live in the present moment, free from guilt and shame. It's essential for building healthy relationships with others and, most importantly, with yourself. So take a deep breath, forgive yourself, and move forward with confidence and courage. Number 15. Take care of your physical health. Making sure you are physically healthy is an important part of becoming more independent and self-sufficient. This means eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and exercising regularly. Eating well can help you maintain your energy levels and keep your body strong. Getting enough sleep can help you stay focused and energized. Exercise not only helps keep your body in shape, but it can also help reduce stress levels. You should also make sure to take regular checkups and get any recommended screenings. This will help you stay on top of any health issues and prevent any potential problems from getting worse. You should also try to reduce your exposure to hazardous chemicals and environments, such as cigarette smoke, polluted air, and unsafe workplaces. Taking care of yourself physically can help you stay healthy and strong so you can be more independent and self-sufficient. Number 16. Seek professional help if needed. It can be difficult to become more independent and self-sufficient on your own. That's why seeking professional help if needed is so important. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed or unable to make progress in your journey toward becoming more independent and self-sufficient, seeking help from a professional can make all the difference. There are many types of professional help available, from mental health counselors to life coaches. Talking to a professional can help you identify roadblocks that may be holding you back from achieving your goals and provide strategies for overcoming them. Professional help can also provide a safe space to process any emotions that may be standing in the way of your progress. No matter what type of help you seek, the most important thing is to find someone who will listen to and support you on your journey. Taking the time to find the right professional for you can help ensure that you get the help and guidance you need to become more independent and self-sufficient.